You don't need to be completely fluent in Korean to go to beauty school in Korea. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Charlotte and this is Belorraine. Ever since I've posted my Korean vlog video, the number one question was, how did you apply? It's been a long story. I'm gonna make it short, but I sat down one day and I literally just was searching Korean beauty schools in Korea. I think it was the summer of 2023 that I started to do my research, and that's where a lot of these schools pop up, but they were in Canada. Contacted them, sent in an email. They didn't respond back. And then I did more of my research. I checked on, for some reason, MBC Beauty School popped up. I contacted them through an email, and fast forward, I already was planning a trip to go to Korea that same year, but on September. I went to that trip and I decided to just stop by. Went inside, I introduced myself, and I wanted to see if they can give me more information. I even explained to her like, hey, I'm Puerto Rican, I'm an esthetician in Puerto Rico, but I'm here to expand my knowledge. I just expressed, my needs, and she literally said, okay, well, this is a curriculum, is a 3-month course. It's X amount of money and you can start in January. And I was like, oh wow. I feel like this is a very hardcore academy for those who want to really work in Korea and be completely licensed and certified. There are other academies out there in Korea now in 2026. There are more academies opening up. There are short courses. There are 3 days, 10 days, 7 days. I can share them down below. Super open to go back to Korea and certify myself on other techniques that I've been eyeing a long time ago that I will shortly be sharing also my experience and my journey. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what other questions that you guys still have and I can answer. Also, I will try my best to do so and help you as much as I can. Stick around for my next episode where I'm going to be sharing more about my journey. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram yet, I'm at Belorraine, and you can also find me on TikTok with the same handle. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video.